Alright guys, it's finally here. We have the FalconPEV 010X courtesy of RevRides.com. We've got this demoing in for a few weeks. Hopefully the weather clears up and we'll take it out on a few rides, do a little review and do some promotion of it. Seems like it should be a pretty cool vehicle, so let's check it out. Alright, let's open it up. And inside the box, we have another box. Open the box. Nice manual, lots of pictures. Looks like we have a charger, some nut caps, a little bike tool. That's nice. Handlebars come detached, but it's pretty easy to put together. I think it's supposed to be about 77 pounds or so. So kind of a standard neck clasp here. I actually think it might be better than the Dualtron one. Feels a lot more secure than the Dualtron one, so that's pretty cool. Looks like the keys are right here, so I'll take these keys off. All right, so I want it to be something like that. All right guys, here it is, the FalconPEV 010X courtesy of RevRides.com. First impressions are that this thing is a beautiful, beautiful scooter. I love kind of this red brushed metal, the red accents. This rear tail fin here is amazing. Like, just put your foot up on that thing when you're riding. That'll be really comfortable. I love how that's in there by default. You can do it on the Dualtrons, but you have to kind of get that part yourself. The handlebar is super solid. It looks like you can just easily swap this out for any kind of mountain biking handlebar, which is awesome. You don't buy any kind of adapter for it. I love the fact that it comes with a keyed ignition, a little bell. The whole thing just feels really solid. We have got a lot of content planned for this thing, so definitely check it out soon. We're gonna be going on a group ride with this thing and doing some reviews. Should be really cool. Overall, it just seems like a really nice package for the price they're asking for it. I could totally see using this to get around town. Let's do a little comparison with my other scooters that I have here real quick, and we'll compare the sizing. All right, so I thought I'd do a little comparison of my three current scooters that I have here with the 010X. So we've got a few different things here, from smallest to largest. We have this InMotion L8F. We have the new 010X, and we have the Dualtron Thunder. You can kind of see the size difference. Different use cases for each one too. So the two on the right are definitely much more portable than the Thunder. And you might actually have more fun on the 010X than the Thunder if you like to do tricks and go off curves and stuff like that. Just a lot lighter, a lot smaller. Nice little package. So we've got a lot of content planned out for this. We're gonna go on a few group rides, maybe do a little review. We might get a little bit crazy with it. It's got a really nice suspension system, so maybe we'll take it off some jumps and ledges. I really love the rear tail fin there, so maybe we can do a few wheelies on it. Let's just get crazy with it. Let's have a good time. That's all I got for now, guys. See you for the next video. Peace out.